so it's super early. It's like 4:30 at this point, but I've been up since 3. But I'm super excited because I have a fun day ahead of me. I'm taking you guys with me to make a special purchase, and obviously if you're watching the video, you already know what it is, so let's get into it. So I'm actually headed to the airport right now. I'm a little bit behind, so as soon as I get inside of the airport, I'm gonna try to vlog a little bit more. But yeah, I'm like super exhausted right now, but we're gonna make it through the day. So I made it to the airport. I'm a little bit behind, but I'll still make it. They haven't started boarding yet, so it's all good. But so I'll see you guys when I make it outside of security on the other side. So see you in about 10 minutes. I made it on the plane, so I'm happy about that. They were literally boarding as I got to the gate, so I made it just in the nick of time, which is great. But I'm in my seat, pretty comfortable. It's a big aircraft.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're almost ready to go. So please take your seats, fasten your seatbelts, stow your tray table, carry out items, ensure those all armrests in the resting position. If you are seated in an exit seat, please review the exit.
So I just got off the plane. I'm headed down the escalator now to get on the train to catch my ride to hopefully get some breakfast because I'm super hungry right now. So. Sitting in the truck here, waiting real quick, but we gotta do some things before we head to the store. But you know, we just chilling. It's a beautiful day in Atlanta. The weather's perfect. I'm excited. I'm actually wearing my Tudor watch right now. I'm gonna try to have it cleaned, but you know, I'm excited. Like I said, it's a great day. It's a great opportunity. So real quick, I want to share the actual story with you. Let me turn the radio down. So here's the thing. I met Bert. Bert is actually a client of mine and a good friend now. But I met him. Oh, sorry about that. I met Bert, the guy that I'm kicking it with for the day. My good hostess. I met him actually through Instagram. He found one of my reels and we started, you know, following each other and things like that. So it was really cool. He reached out to me and was like, hey, I want to come get a suit made, things like that. And I was like, okay, fine. You know, we'll get it taken care of. And he called me. He was like, hey, Jace. This is on a Saturday when he messaged me. It's like a Thursday. It was like a Friday, Saturday. I'm sorry. Saturday, he called me and said, hey, I'm coming Monday. Set me up an appointment. I'm coming to get some suits. So he came and got 2 suits for me, and we've been cool ever since. And so I was here literally 2 weeks ago. He said, hey man, well, before I get to that, so he's really into watches and other luxury items. And so when he came to Little Rock, he had on a Datejust too, and I'll post a picture of it. Beautiful watch. We talked about it, and he said, you know, Jace, I'm gonna put you in touch with my, you know, my AD. And so I came down here for Memorial Day weekend. By the way, today is June the 9th. Yeah, today's the 9th. June the 9th. Tomorrow's the 10th. So 2 weeks ago for Memorial Day weekend, just so you guys are aware, and I'll post pictures with date stamps so you guys can be aware that I was here 2 weeks ago. I met his AD. I told her what I wanted, and she set me up an account, and she texted me yesterday a picture and said, do you like this watch? She kind of ran me down on how everything works as far as how they do it. So basically, I just want to say that I'm not saying that there is not a wait period. This is kind of a unicorn event, but I'm super excited, so I'll keep you guys posted. So I'm sitting here at my boy Bert's his barbecue joint. So we had to stop. So you'll see the footage of that. We had to stop and get some supplies for the store. So we once he finished with that, we gotta head to his spot. He gotta change, and then we gonna get this watch thing going. So we just got to my boy Bert's house. We just chilling real quick. He about to change, and then we gonna head out to the shop. But I wanted to show y'all something like super cool real quick, because sometimes, you know, a lot of people, they'll say things, they'll say like, oh, I got this, I got that. I want to show y'all, I'm gonna show y'all a cologne collection, and I'm gonna show y'all a watch collection. So check this out, right? So these is all his shoes. So his fragrances all right here, but it's also, if you see like in there, man, he got fragrances all in there. He got more fragrances, more shoes, and this isn't even like everything. This is just a portion of it. But I just wanted to show y'all, when people talk about, oh, I have this, I have that, but he actually does have, I mean, it's some crazy things, as you can see right here. But let me show y'all the one.
Also known as the Speedy. Yeah, Cartier tank. This is a Cartier tank large. This is the Santos. Cartier Santos. Cartier Santos.
So that's just the beginning. Now here comes the
Panerai.
Panerai. It's beautiful.
Do you want to know?
They're not ready for it. They're not ready for it, man.
Okay. Here's Submariner with date.
So y'all can see it. Let's get that focus there. That's the Submariner with date. And y'all already know what this one
Pepsi
is.
GMT
Y'all see that right there.
with the oyster band.
Nuts. Crazy. What else you got?
Okay.
Tell them what else you got, man.
We'll go here. We'll go to the Milgauss. Rolex Milgauss.
So that's the Milgauss. That's one of the newer ones that came out. What was that, 2019?
This was 2020.
2020 edition, yeah.
And this is a Datejust Wilmington edition with the green numbers with the oyster band.
So nice.
And the Air King. This is a 2021 edition of Air King. They have 2022 now with the 0 in front of the 5.
Yeah. Fire. I love it. I love
And
it.
my
This,
baby,
yeah, that's his baby right there.
Datejust.
Like I was just telling y'all, when he came to see me to get his suits, he had this one on right here specifically, and that thing was like catching all the light, so it was like perfect. So I just wanted y'all to see, because like I was telling y'all, this man this man has a really great collection, and you know, he put me on, and so that's why, you know, the purpose, obviously the fellowship, but the ultimate purpose is to get my watch. So if it wasn't for him, I wouldn't have my watch. So I'm definitely grateful and blessed. This man, he has, like, he just took me, you know, on a tour of his apartment. Literally, he has, what, 2 bedrooms, laundry room, but it's like clothes and shoes like everywhere. Like, he's a connoisseur of you know, style. You know, he likes colognes, he likes shoes, he likes the stuff that I like. And so that's how we really connected. And that's something that I wanted to talk to you guys about really quick, is the power of, you know, connecting and networking with people anywhere, because you never know who they know and what they know, and how they can, you know, help you out and do things to help you do things to further advance, you know. So it's all about keeping an open mind when you're, you know, whether you're in a business, or you're just, you know, doing stuff on like Instagram like I am, or have a business like I do. You want to keep an open mind when it comes to clients, because again, you're helping them, so they want to do what they can to help you out. And so Bert has definitely been a huge help to me. So you know, I'm waiting on him. He's about to get dressed now. We just gonna shoot across town, on the other side of town, get this, get my watch. I'm gonna get some footage of that. I think you guys are gonna love it. It's a 2022 watch, so it's brand new. I'll be the first owner of the watch, so I'm super excited about it, and I hope you guys enjoy it too. guys, we're out here at the shopping center, so you can see it's kind of cool, and we're going into Mayors right back there. So probably won't be. So here's the deal, I'm pretty sure I can't record like walking into the store just because it's, you know, the merchandise is out there, but I should be able to record like when we get in the room and everything like that, and you'll see the watch on my wrist and everything like that. So I'm very, very excited. It's gonna be cool, so let's do it.
Do you want to know what it is?
So we're in here, we're getting set up in the room, and we're gonna get it done. So as you see, like I told you guys, I am getting a Rolex today, and I'll show you which one it is. And so I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna pan the room because it's really nice in here, and so y'all can see it real quick, and then get a couple extra shots, and then when she brings the watch, we'll do it official. So y'all, I'm like super excited right now. She's getting the watch and getting it together now, and so like I'm super excited. I'm chilling here with my man Bert. We gonna talk to him. Yeah, we look. Apparently the end video that I tried to record on Thursday didn't actually record. I guess I was so excited that I didn't even record anything. But what I was going to say is that the experience was amazing. The AD, she was very nice. She was very accommodating, and I don't take, you know, I just want to say that I do not take my experience for granted. I understand that 2 weeks, it was actually 11 days. If I count, it was actually 11 days. So to be able to get the watch that I truly wanted in 11 days was pretty incredible. But as you saw, Bert had a phenomenal, you know, selection. And so I kind of like was basically put under him, but I have my own separate profile, but he was kind of my way in the door. And so that's what I was talking about earlier, about the power and the, you know, the true essence of networking with people. As the saying goes, it's not always about what you know. In this situation, it's about who I knew, and I'm grateful. And I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to subscribe because I'm actually going to do a legit review video of it. I'll talk about, you know, the specs and everything like that, but I just wanted to take you on the journey of me actually getting this watch. It was a very long day, but I made it back home. I've been enjoying it the last few days. I love it, and I hope you loved it too. If you did, smash the like button. Be sure to subscribe, and stay tuned for the actual specs video. Talk to you guys soon. Peace.